Hi guys, I'm Carol and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of hyperpigmentation around the mouth area. So without further ado, let's get started with the video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share.
Add